everyone, welcome to day 14 of the Etsy Hacks 30-day challenge. So in today's hacks, I'm going to show you approved partners approved by Etsy. And these are different tools that will help you grow your Etsy business. A lot of people don't even know about this or they've never seen it before. So I wanted to show you how easy it is to kind of find it and see what tools Etsy recommends. So if you go to your shop manager, you click there, it's going to open this new window here. And just go all the way down where it says integrations right here. And it's going to pull up this particular page right here. And these tools, like it says right here, are meant to help you run, market, optimize, and enhance your business. These are third-party integrations approved by Etsy. So they have to market and promote your shop. You know, they have some of my favorites, Pinterest, AppWeber, but as you can see, they have a whole bunch more. They have to improve your listings and understand buyer trends. So they have my favorites, eRank, and they have Marmalade and additional tools. For managing your bookkeeping and taxes, these are some of the recommended tools that Etsy recommends. I personally recommend QuickBooks. And to understand and manage your inventory and analytics, they have additional tools. Now, that doesn't mean that these are the only tools that you could use for your Etsy business. If you don't want to use Marmalade or eRank, you could go out there and use a different tool that you currently use. Maybe you use Keywords Everywhere, SEMrush, maybe you use Google Keyword Planner. Whatever you use, that's fine as well. But these are some additional tools that maybe you've never seen before, you never heard before, maybe you need help with bookkeeping. This is a great place to start, especially if you have no idea where to begin. So let me know in the comments below if this is something new to you. Have you seen this before? Have you not seen it before? And guys, don't forget to please like this video, comment, and share. And I will see you in the next Etsy hack video.